Good morning sa all. At ate naman niyo ha. Pwede to gaban silig. Nung samhod.
500 ka na ako.
Morning. Morning sa all. Kumusta ang lahat?
Ang maligaw.
Ang samhod ang silig. Ang samhod. Ang best friend. Hindi na kayo maano ako masilig ako kay Maramukoy. Ha? Ha? Diri kay Maramukon nga mamaya abutan ko pa yun pag nagano ako, abutan ko pa yun diri inaasikaso. Arati naman kamo dun ho. Doon naman son wala naman son na ano. Maramukon perme. Di pa kamo nang limpia. Hi Greg, thank you sa thumbs up. Salamat.
Ate, balik kayo na ba ako?
Thank you so much. Salamat Greg. Thank you so much. Welcome to my live. Oh yeah. Ano yan? Napagabot ko lang Thank you so 3 million. How are you doing today? I'm doing Zumba. Zumba. Then, I'm going to Bravo, the feeding that I'm going to Katulihan. Yes. Ala, yung parcel din. And the parcel going here na. Thank you so 6 million in my Thank you so 6 million in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the 6 million. Salamat. Thank you guys. It helps me a lot. No. It helps me a lot for the watch hour. Thank you so much. What are you doing night here now there in US, no? Night. Good evening, US.
Amo lang ang nagkaunsuhan. Nga nagkaunsuhan. Hindi ka kumahan. Ha? Ano na mo? Ha? Oo na. Kaya kayo. Yo, buti na po. Kaya buwan na? Sa balay na lang kita mauyan. Sige. Hindi na balay niyo. Napakasi kabili. Ako balay ko sa balay. Balay ka. Balay niyo sa balay niyo. Balay mo sa... Oo, dida ka. Magkamangod ka muna. Magkamangod ka muna. Sige. Ay, dida. Ito pa. No. Ito. Dinakal ka dito ka kami. Ay, dinakal. Ano ka? Bakal ka. Ano lang bakal mo? Ayo. Ay. Ano ka lang bakal mo? Iwan ka na dito. May tinadala ng mga kutsilyo ay mga ano ba? Oo nga na, ito na. May tinadala. Hindi yun ba? Tinadala ng kutsilyo. Ay, tinadala ng hotdog. Spaghetti. Bakal na rin ito. Anto ko nga nini. Anto. Ay! Ayaw, marami. Maganda marami ito.
Please thumbs up, comments, and subscribe. Gus Sander. Hello, Ga. Good morning, Cheryl. How are you doing? I clean home, ha? Nana?
Gabi.
Nana?
Sabi mo, anong gabi?
Di ko naintindihan ano sasabi mo.
Ang gabi mo, Gab?
Nano?
Sabi mo, anong Gab?
Nano?
Gab.
Rachel Vidal, hi po. I doing just hello Greg. Where's Greg na? Gus Sanders, hello. Thank you. Good morning here. Morning here now in Philippines. Where are you from, Gus Sanders? Where are you from? Thank you. What do you mean? Da-da-da-da-da. Morning here now. What's up? Atlanta, Georgia, USA. Hi from Atlanta, USA. Thank you so much. Welcome to my live. Thank you. What's up? Hi, Greg. Welcome to my live. Thank you so much for joining my live. Sheryl Gaz is my friend. Oh, wow. You invited him. My pleasure. Okay. Thank you, Greg. Thank you so much, Greg. My pleasure to be here. Thank you so much, Greg. How are you? How are you there in the USA, in America? Ay, sana all taga-America. Thank you, America. How old are you, Gus Sanders? Thank you, Gus. Thank you, Greg. Thank you so much. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Yes, I told him about your channel. Thank you. I am 63. Ah, okay. Nice to meet you, Gus Sanders. Thank you so much. Are you married? Are you married like that? Have a happy family there in America. Wow, America. Happy family. Nice to meet you also. Thank you. Nice to meet you too. Do you have a kids? No, I am single. Why single? What happened? Oh, what happened? What happened, sir? Gus? You want to find a partner in life? Do you want to find partner in life, sir? Sir Gus? I have friend. She's single. I have a friend and she's single, ready to mingle. Haven't found the right one. Oh, okay. Not easy to find the right one. Not so easy. Easy to find. Wait, sir. Wait. Just wait. Need a coffee. Kape. Kape, bro. Pinoso. You want pinoso?
Okay.
Sinapay. You need bread? How was your sleep, Cheryl? I sleep well. It's yun, the bread. The bread. The bread and the cafe. Kana dili ano? Dali, guys, bingay, dali, dali, dali. Dali, dali lang. Kana na.
Live mo ka.
Kana na. Tama, dali lang, dali na.
Live mo.
Kana na, how?
Live.
Hoy. Kana na. Hoy, kana ka dali. Kana na. Wag mong alagaan ang puspad. Mura na nga niya. Tiya. Sabi na. You already had Zumba today. Yeah, already Zumba today. Already Zumba today. Guys, Sheryl is 40. I'm already 40 years old, sir, guys. Maybe she think I'm young.
Kalendaryo. Laka! Kamu daw. Halagab na utod.
Ano rin?
Joy na. Ako na. Bari, ay kinagat mo nilan to. Sarap pa man ako na ito.
Gus lives 4 hours from me. For lives? 4 hours from me? Her home? Her country? Her town? Her town? Gus? Why is your friend? When you meet Gus, when you meet Gus Sanders guy, when you meet here, when you meet here. From my house. Okay, from your house, 4 hours. Going to
May isa na may baka dyan na kulay orange, kulay red.
Uy, pa mo, ay naglalay ako.
Sino mga original na rock na isa?
Sana waiting. Ay, shit. Kada itabi to.
Karingan.
We meet a while back on YT. Okay. He's a vlogger. He's also a vlogger, Greg. He's vlogger.
Right, balikan ko ha. Balikan ka. Ka. Napapundot.
Cause I'm your lady.
Siya man uga, hindi dugo na. May matarong. Diyo, diyo, diyo. Ako to daw sa kalendar.
No.
May kalendar.
Ah, no. Just friend on white.
Ay, yung ba? Ay, andar ini. Ha. Ito ho, kalendaryo.
Cause I'm your lady. May pinusok dito. Gusto mo? May? Gusto mo pinusok?
Ay,
Hindi ko na pinusok. Thank you. It's your niece. Is that your niece? It's my niece. Pwede na lang. Ibutang mo dito. Ibutang mo nga dito. Ay, baba daw. May kape dito. Magtimpla ka may kape. My niece. My niece. My shoulder. Guran. Guran. Nag-init na. Sunny na. Sunny. Wherever you reach from me. Thank you for the 2 million. 2 million in the house. How is your weekend? The weekend is nice. Nice weather. Morning. The weather is nice. No rain, no rain. After the rain, sunny na. No rain na, no rain. Rain, rain, go away. Another day. Nalutang. Thank you sa 4 million the thumbs up. Salamat. Thank you sa thumbs up. Thank you po. Where is your child? She's playing. My son is playing. Cause I know
Sa baba, nandito doon.
Nano yun? Where is... Nano yada?
Alit kanton.
Dinhali.
Dito.
Okay, alright. Playing basketball. No, not playing basketball. Ganun. Mag-follow ka kasi. Tapos magpa-follow ba ka ulit? Magpa-follow ka ulit. What happens? Nag... Nag-ano ka? In-unfollow mo ako. Then, Saturday, follow me again. Oh, it's okay. Welcome. Always welcome. My, account is public. Follow ka. Mag-unfollow ka. Okay lang. Nano! Nano! Bakit kaya?
Bumita ka, Nick. Stop.
Are you going to church today? Yes. Afternoon here. Are you going to church today and tomorrow? Greg? I will make live when I'm going to church. Irosin. Let me see your hands. Hands. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Your nails are growing. Yes, the nails. Growing body. No, body. Nakatapos pa naman sumba. The nails. Kasama. Thank you. Freaking hardly live. Ano yan? Nagibe. Kai. I'm going to church with you. Really? Really? Rally.
Tapos ang bukaan ito.
If I'm not, sleep again. Charot. Take your time, need rest, need to sleep, need have a time to sleep, and charot. If you're having a charot, go ahead. Go charot, charot, charot. It's only 9 right now. Ah, okay. 9. Same here, 9 here. 9:06 here. 9:06 here, 9 p.m. there. 12 hours. Yes, 12. 12. 12 hours. 12 hours go. Ay, 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 di na kape. Wala namang bago, ganun pa din. Kusan. Laba Day. Sunday is Laba Day. Kana kuya gabdi kay ko. Don't galaw-galaw. Raman. Nice shirt, brand my favorite. What? Favorite? Brand. I remember the brand. Cause I'm your lady today. Your favorite is green. What a coincidence. Blue. My favorite color is blue. And your favorite color is green. Cause I'm your lady. Yung babakal mo lang ang kwarta mo tinirog sa da. Dapat pagka, yung babakal. Aren. Mati naman sinila. Yung sila mo yun. Thank you sa cornel yung thumbs up. Babaan na. Matoto magkarido sila. Matoto. Million people. Sana lady that I say 3 million. Salamat sa 3 million. Thank you so far. Please. Aduan. Feel sleepy naman. Kuya, disin ko. Ano na yun? Ano tanong kanina? Hindi, di na yun. Ano mo inin? Ba yan? Ang ipon mo inin? 20. Hindi yung maganda na 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Hindi, mayamano na to. Morning to night, coming tonight or in the morning.
Nangatulugon ako. Tapos,
Greg, I hope you don't get this storm that we are supposed to get.
gano'n ka?
My God Sanders, my sister. Kailan na edad mo?
57.
57 years old only.
Hi, hello.
Taga ano? Atlanta, USA! Welcome to the Philippines! Gas is in Alabama now, Alabama. Sorry. Hello, how are you? I'm still beautiful. My sister, 57. Thank you for coming back to Mina. I have a coins. Maabot na parcel, pangbayad sa parcel. How are you? Doing good? Doing great? Fine day? Great day? Nice day? What are you doing po? I hope you don't get this turn that you're supposed to get. Thank you so far, Malian.
Karamerian. Marami ka mga karamerian.
Barato.
Nangatulugon ako na dito.
Oo nga niya. Kulugod pa ini.
Nasilip pa ako.
What are you going to buy? I'm going to buy, I'm going house in lot using this. I'm going to buy house in lot. 150 pesos. 150 pesos in dollar. How much in dollar and pesos? 60 pesos. 1.3 dollar. Char. $3. House in lot worth $3. $3. Charot. Trip 90. Hi sir. Trip 90. Hello. Thank you. Salamat tanan sa intiro gabas. Just coming back to me now. Thank you so 5 million. Thank you for the 5 million. Let's get in then. Salamat sa 5 million in my house. Look, the bagsangan court. You want this? Let's get it in. Thank you for the abaton ang parcel. Wala pa si parcel. Where are you? Parcel. you. It's mostly girls in your family. Yes, mostly girl. And the young boy. Young girl in the people. Salamat, Sansaroda. We're going back from It is it a pool near your house? Is it a pool near your house? Hmm? Near my house, a pool? No? No pool. Ah, yes, have a pool. Swimming pool? Have a pool here. Wait. I'm going there when I have a time and I will make a live. Yes, yes. Have a swimming pool near here. Beautiful pool.
Ito si Mio.
Ha?
Biyom.
Badi wala na plan. Badi wala na mga plan.
Ngayon ako parang kami ito po rin.
Sayang ba? I want to see it one day. Yes. I'm going there one day. And I will make a live. Makarigos daw ka mga torin. Kamo ni Kaka. Makarigos ka mga ragab. I want to see it one day. Yes. Wait lang. Papin mo yan yan. Iprinitos? Ah, pinuso. Wait a minute. Ah. What did you have your breakfast? Soman. Squash soman. Kalabasa. And coffee. Coffee is like salmon. No. Squash is vegetable. Suman is the rice. Filipino pod. Rice with squash. It's rice. Yes, it's rice and squash. Squash with sugar. Rice mixed with squash, sugar, and covered by banana leaves. Ay, sana all ba? Tapos na ba? Tira mo. With haircut. Ako na da, ako na da. Ako na da. Sana all. Sounds yummy. Yes, it's yummy. Bicol food. Suman, squash, suman. I found a love for me. Jadi pag grukoton, medyo yan. Yan. Sana all. My brother. Bicol has different foods. Yes, different. Different foods from here in Bicol. Welcome to Bicol. Kahapon ako naglabay ito naman. Solo mo yung palaypayin. It's your turn. When the table turn. When the table turns, labandi pala yun. When the table turns, labandera day. What are you doing tonight, Greg? Do you have a dinner date like that? Somewhere in disco, yan, jump, party, party, wine, wine with, friends, jump with friends. Tomorrow, I will meet my, my friends. Free because, someone, day off. Day off. Somewhere in my past. La, I wanna be surviving. I will make a live and help you. 250? Yes. Naman. Yada, balik turong. I don't get it na. Sarah, what are you doing, tonight there in USA, Greg? What are you doing, What are you doing? What are you doing later? Thank you so much. Kuya Gab, ako man tabisan nang dito na sudlay. Pa-excuse man tabisan sudlay dito. Kanan mo yun, kadito may gro ini. Kuha dito ang sudlay. Bicol has different colors. Thank you, Kuya Gab. Ang bait lang ni Kuya Gab.
Dalawang lang.
Kanina ka pa may pagkaon doon. Ibabakal mo na yun sa yagan. Tao ka doon. Ayoko sana na ikaw ay mawawala, mawawasak na ang aking mundo. Thank you, Greg. Are you still there? What are you doing na, What are you doing na? I want to go to the beach now. And we're swimming suit na. Charot lang. Char. Feel sleepy na. Need to going to sleep. Bye-bye. Good morning. Tulog muna, Mi. Antok muna. Bye. Bye-bye. Need to sleep na. Bye-bye na. Rest. I'm going to rest muna saglit. Rest. The rest is very important. Bye-bye. God bless us. Have a blessed Sunday to all. Thank you.